Hello, I'm Mar Vázquez and welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to introduce yourself in English. Introducing yourself is a very important skill, whether it is in personal or in professional situations. So let's learn together how to do it correctly. The first thing that we need to do when we're introducing ourselves in English is to greet and state our name. We can start by saying, "Good morning, my name is Marcela," or I can say something like, "Hi, I'm Marcela." So it depends on the context, the type of greeting that you're going to use. Next, it is common to share where you're from or your nationality. So we can say, "I am from Mexico," "I am Mexican," and this can establish a connection and also lead to discussions about different cultures. Number 3, you can share your occupation or studies. So you can say, "I am a teacher," "I am an English teacher," and "I study Japanese language," or "I am studying a BA or an engineering." You add more information and that person can have more conversation topics. 4, hobbies. It's interesting to share about your leisure time activities, about your hobbies. For example, "I like playing soccer in my free time," or "In my free time, I enjoy watching TV," or something that you really love, like "I love painting. I am a keen painter." I hope this helps you to share more about your likes and people can connect with you. Number 5, it's important to close with a nice and friendly phrase like, "Nice to meet you," or "It is a pleasure to meet you." Extra information that you can share is your age. Well, just if you want to. I am the number of years and then years old. For example, I am 26 years old. So let's sum up what we learned today and practice our introduction. Hello, my name is Marcela. I'm a Mexican English teacher, and in my free time, I love painting. Nice to meet you. And there you have it. Now you know how to introduce yourself effectively in English. So please practice and gain confidence. Remember that practice makes perfect. And well, I see you in the next video. If you enjoy it, please give a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye.